I am Colin Ball, and I'm an electrical student at BOCES 2 in Rochester, New York. Well, we usually do about an hour of prep work, and then after the prep work, we do practical work. We go out in the lab and do electrical work, or today or some days we go out to the house, which is in the back, that we make and then sell. Some of the reasons why I wanted to join BOCES 2 electrical program is because I like to think and I like to use my hands, and I also love math, and I like to communicate, so this is the trade that seemed best fit for me, so that's why I chose the electrical. I like school and I like to learn, but I also didn't really want to go further in college. I didn't want to be in debt and pay all those college loans, so this seemed like the best fit for me, where I could still use my mind and my brain, and I could also use my hands, and I wouldn't be in debt like everybody else, and I could have a job out of high school. I'm going to become an electrician full-time out of high school, and then at some point in my life I want to become a master electrician, so I have to take a test. Some of the benefits that I've experienced here from BOCES 2 is that I've learned what it's going to be like in the real world, life skills that I need to know that will translate into my life when I graduate. I've learned the skills that I need to do my trade, which is what I'm going to need because that's the job that I'm going to go into. And I've learned how to communicate with different people and just life skills.